Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Grand Villa 42 FLDL destination trailer. This is a double loft front living room, rear bedroom destination trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, run you around the inside and back to the outside of this new RV. All right, guys, we're now up inside the new Salem Villa 42 FLDL. And the 42 FLDL is basically the 42 DL in reverse. So the 42 DL was the same exact camper with the living room in the back. So they had a pretty good amount of requests for a front living room version of it and decided to basically build it in reverse. So we're going to start here in the front section here. You have the sofa across the front, nice big windows overlooking the front section of the RV there. And the sofa does actually fold out, make into a good sized bed. So if you have guests, there's a good amount of sleeping space there for them besides the loft in your master bedroom back there. Nice big flat screen TV. It's a Jensen flat screen TV there. Furrion sound bar and a Greystone 36-inch electric fireplace. These fireplaces are pretty cool. They're basically electric space heaters, but they do look pretty in the RVs. Electric outlet on both sides of the sofa. Little end tables on both sides of the sofa. Theater seat here, which does have a little storage in the middle. But theater seat does kick back and recline. You got little cup holders in the middle as well. Nice big windows overlooking your campsite area. Now these are single pane deep tent safety glass windows standard. You can request when ordering dual pane windows. So if you are planning on kind of extended staying in this thing or being in a little more extreme climates, you can request dual pane windows if that does interest you. Talk with your salesperson about that. Pretty good sized pantry area along with the little trash can down below there. Quite a bit of storage space in the island. Little LED accent lighting down below. Then they do the high-rise faucet there with the little spring assist, so you can actually kind of detach it and hose off your dishes and stuff a little easier. The larger microwave, it's a Whirlpool microwave and a Whirlpool refrigerator. And the refrigerator does have an ice maker built into the freezer section down below. And they also did the larger Furrion oven with the 3-burner stovetop that you can see there. So glass front, also has a little built-in light and little temperature control there. Again, quite a bit of cabinet space. Skylight up above, two 15,000 BTU air conditioners standard on the unit. Air conditioning is ducted through the ceiling. Heat is ducted through the floor. You have 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floor decking in the unit. Freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. Does have some storage in the chairs as well. On the side, a little cabinet there, you have your slide out button, monitor panels, water heater on gas button, and a few switches there, along with one of the air conditioner and furnace controls here. Now up top, raise this up here a little bit so you can kind of see. You'll see it from the other side, but that is one of the lofts right there. So pretty cool. The kids can kind of look out over the living room kitchen area if you want them to. Another big window up there that does open. Now here on the right is your bathroom area. Now this is going to look a little different than the standard, as this customer ordered his with the household porcelain toilet. So there's no holding tank, no black tank below here. They're going to hard plumb it right into the sewer system. So if you are interested in doing that, this is an available option. Otherwise, you'll get the standard RV holding tank and standard RV toilet. But overall, pretty good sized bathroom for an RV. Plenty of room there for towels and washcloths, stuff like that to go in. And there's also a exhaust fan right here. This goes all the way up through the loft area and into out the roof basically. But it's all a sealed chamber. Some of the other brands that have a version of a loft like this don't have that. And that's a real bad moisture problem on those brands. So if you are looking at a loft like this, make sure it does have a vent. Make sure it's also sealed so you don't have, you know, the typical mold and mildew issues you could run into. Down below there is your carbon monoxide detector. Also the central vac and dustpan vac right there as well. Another big window right here. This one does not open, but it is a nice big window to overlook your campsite area. Going up into the loft area, it's got a handrail there to help the kids kind of get up and down. Little vent area over there. Now the left loft is taller than the right loft. So we'll climb back up in here a little bit so you kind of see around. There's an electric outlet, USB charger ports back there. Windows on both sides, air conditioning up here as well. TV hookups over there. And then there's also a cabinet here that will pop up on a picture so you can see that a little better. But pretty cool little area for the kids to have their own little private area. Now over on the right side, you have the loft, which overlooks the kitchen and living room area. And then there's also TV hookups back here as well. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these RV videos. Now you're going to step down into the master bedroom area down here. Window on both sides of the bed, little directional reading lights. Overhead cabinets. The bed does raise up. USB charger port and electric outlet over there. Couple big drawers there. Little hanging closet area. Now, this one was ordered again with the washer dryer hookup and the washer dryer we put in it as well. So that's what you're seeing there. If you don't do the washer dryer area, you get another closet kind of like what's on the left right there. Little dresser area there, your electric box with your breakers and fuses, and a heat vent blowing out right there. TV hookups here as well, so you could set a flat screen TV here on the dresser area if you wanted to. Entry/exit door right in and out of your bedroom area there. It does have a screen door as well. And then they're also doing the little pull down blinds. Light switch there. Thermostat for the second air conditioner as well. Alright guys, we're going to head on to the outside, kind of show you around the outside of this double loft trailer. Alright guys, we're now back on the outside of this new 42 FLDL Grand Villa here. And we're going to start in the front section up here. As you can see here on the front of the unit, it has kind of a white cardboard covering on it when it first comes in from the RV factory. You've seen from inside there, the nice windows and stuff, so you'd have a great view overlooking the front of the RV when this is all off. But when it comes from the factory, this is covered up and stuff to kind of help protect it. Unit has two 30-pound propane tanks here in the front section. Manual tongue jack to get it up and down off the truck. 2 5/16 hitch ball, your standard safety chains, breakaway cable, and 7-way Bargman plug. The unit comes with one battery, deep cycle interstate battery from Couch's RV Nation. Doesn't come with any from the RV manufacturer, so at least make sure your dealer gets you one. If you want more, talk with your salesperson about that. There's also a battery disconnect down there to disconnect the battery for storage purposes. It's a destination trailer, so I doubt you're going to be off the grid camping very much with something like this, but if you do, then you can add more batteries if you want. Now, this unit was ordered with the optional fiberglass exterior. The standard is an aluminum sided, and this is what it looks like with the optional fiberglass. So it is basically a high gloss white fiberglass unit when it's ordered this way. It is a hung fiberglass. It's not laminated, so that is a little different than what you see on a lot of RVs, typical pull-behind trailers. They glue and laminate them together. Here it is still a hung fiberglass material. Deep tent safety glass windows. A lot of the windows do open very largely to let in a nice airflow through there. Also, it is pre-set up, little brackets and stuff there, little gutter rails up top for slide-out awning covers. If you wanted to add slide-out awning covers to the RV, that can be done. Talk with your salesperson about that. Now, the unit comes with a traditional RV step. Again, it's a destination trailer, so they're kind of expecting the customer to build a deck and things like that around it or get permanent type of steps. So you do have a triple step going in this side and a double step going in the back. Now, the back is lower to the ground because it's a Z frame back there, which allows them to put that big loft and everything that you've seen in there. 42DL and the 42FLDL are basically the same camper, just flip-flopped. One's a front living room, one's a rear living room. But in doing this with the front living room, it makes the front a little bit taller and allows them to do a detachable front tongue if you want. And some people need that extra short removable tongue there so they can fit it into their campsite. Nice big window, a sliding glass window there, dual pane, a large folding entry handle to help you get it in and out. Your model number and product number, stuff like that, are all right there. Your RVIA seal, things like that. Now, this one was also ordered with the power awning, which is an option. Manual awning standard, power awning option. I even have some customers request no awning. That way, again, they could build a porch and stuff around it. So again, if you want something a little different like that, talk with your salesperson about that. This customer chose to do the power awning, which does come with the LED light strip. And then they did a center awning support there, that black arm you're seeing come down next to the window. That is a center awning support just to help it in rain and weather and stuff like that. 2 outdoor speakers, which do have the little back blue light LEDs in them. There's your cable and outside electric outlet there. If you wanted to set a TV outside, you could do so. Coming on around to the back side back here, you can see this one was ordered with the jacks on the back and the front. So it has 4 stabilizer jacks on it. Now, that is technically an option. You don't have to get that. We have a lot of customers that just take these things and park them and put them on blocks, take the wheels and stuff like that off, so they don't really want to pay extra for those jacks. So depending on which way you plan on setting it up, talk with your salesperson about that. They'll definitely help direct you in the right direction. On the back of the RV is cable and satellite inlets right here. Nice big arch to the roof line. It's a full walk on roof, so you can get up there and inspect your roof, walk around, do what you need to do up there. Just remember, don't have anything sharp stuck in your shoes, rocks and stuff like that, because you could, you know, tear the roof on accident if you have something stuck in your shoe tread. The bedroom slide out right here, again, has the prepping brackets and stuff on it, the little gutter track up there as well. There's storage underneath the bed from right here outside. Now coming around here, there's your hookups for your dumping and everything right there. So you have the gray and black galley dumps all right here, along with the the washer dryer prep if you do washer dryer prep on the unit. Detachable power cord, 50 amp cord right here. Unit was ordered with the outside utility shower, hot and cold shower right here. Again, you don't have to get that if you don't want, but some people do like that option, so that is available. 10-gallon gas electric water heater. City water hookups right here. This one, which you've seen inside, the dryer and washer and stuff that was in there. So it has a dryer vent right there above the washer, or I'm sorry, right above the outside utility shower there. Furnace exhaust. There's also bracket in the middle. The unit has these little brackets right there for tie downs. So you'll have 2 brackets in the back, 2 brackets in the middle, and 2 in the front for tying it down. That's important for the customers that are going to, say, Florida, parking it on the coast to the beach area and stuff like that, where they get into some high wind situations. Having that thing strapped down definitely will help you. Now, up there on the side of the slide is the stove exhaust. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. I try to update as many of these new RVs as I can when I have some free time for you, so you can check them all out. Don't forget, again, like, share, and subscribe. Check out couchesrvnation.com. They're one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Weight stickers and stuff popping up here for you. Again, guys, check out Couches RV Nation. Thanks again.